Well, with our next cold front on the way, it is not only going to be cooler, but it also will be pretty gusty into the afternoon today, with wind gusts between 30 and 35 miles per hour possible out of the north. So if you are traveling east or west, especially in a higher profile vehicle, definitely want to make sure you take it easy. Again, into this afternoon, evening shouldn't be too bad. Temperatures for today in the upper 50s and low 60s, but after that cold front passes through, will be as low as the upper 20s for some of us, especially in our northern counties. Low 30s for the rest of us. All of us will be at least at or below freezing. Lots of sunshine through the day on Thursday. Temperatures in the low 50s. Winds shift from the south, so we will be a little bit warmer for Friday. Temperatures starting out in the 40s, and we'll end up in the 50s to near 60 as we head into the afternoon with our next cold front coming through for the weekend. Bouncy temperature forecast over here, and temperatures will eventually again settle down into the low 50s once again for early next week. Stay with the CBS 19 weather experts for the latest weather information.